So y'all know I just got my results back from my DNA test. My grandma my whole life was like, we are not African. Like for some reason, there's like some internal work that needs to be done there, but I always knew I was from Africa. I always freaking knew it. I freaking knew it. Your girl is 50% Nigerian. Never thought, never knew, wouldn't have guessed. I got some Kenyan in me. I got a little bit of Finland in me. It's interesting. I'm about to FaceTime my granny and get her reaction to what we are. FaceTime granny. What's hitting on me?
You put it on Facebook. I mean,
on TikTok? Oh yeah, girl, that's old. Yeah, he was shooting his shot at me, girl. He couldn't.
Old men do that.
Girl, I know. I just did my DNA test. Guess what we are?
What?
Guess.
We not Africans. Yeah, we're not Africans.
We are 54% Nigerian.
No, I'm not.
We are 16% West African, 10% Kenyan, 5% Finnish. I think that's from mommy's side. And then I got a little bit of South America in me, and some Ireland.
You got that from your mama's side, huh?
I mean, we from Nigeria, Granny.
I'm not from Nigeria.
Yes, you are.
I am not African.
Yes, you are.
You know what? I would lose weight over there because I don't like their food.
Your ancestors would be ashamed to hear you speak right now. We are Nigerian, girl. We have to go to our motherland. I'm on my way, girl. I'm on my way. I'm gonna get you a ticket, girl, okay? We going?
Yeah, when you going back there, when you asked me today, was you still in Africa? I said, hell no.
I'm saying me and you, girl.
But you know what?
You my grandma, so that means I got it from you.
No, your granddad is maybe African, but your grandma ain't.
I got a headache.
What's good? It's your brother YK the Truth. And Grandma said, Rise of the Internet Pretendians is out now with over 200 plus pages of fire. Breaking down this entire Aboriginal thing. Grandma said, Rise of the Internet Pretendians. So much information is in this book, and the book is only $10. That's a pack of cigarette in most places. That's not even worth weed money. You get what I'm saying? So support for once. You know what I mean? You didn't want to rock with the debates. Purchase the book, man. Stop being cheap. Purchase the book. Share the book. Share the info. You know what I mean? So it's your brother YK the Truth, man. Grandma said, Rise of the Internet Pretendians is out now. You will not be disappointed in the book. It's your brother YK the Truth, and I'm out. Peace.